Maybe come a little closer. I don't know if people are talking in the background. Okay.
Yeah, let's not talk around.
Okay, start.
This is Dr. Nandini. I want to congratulate my friend Dr. Nisha, and I know as a physician how hard it is to come out of all the hurdles, balancing the kids, family, and the profession. So starting from the assistant surgeon career, now I'm in the clinical research physician, and I'm enjoying my profession. But it's like it was a long way, and. But just like
what
I said,
was your biggest hurdle?
Biggest hurdle was when the kids were small, so it was very hard for me. I gave up my residency because I had to go to New Jersey. My kids would be here, or I had to take them. So I gave it up. I chose the assistant surgeon profession. So I gave up my surgery residency for my kids. That was my biggest hurdle. I sometimes I repent, but then I think that I did it for my kids. So it's a sacrifice, but it's another way. I'm successful in life.
And what gives them strength?
Yeah, it's like the biggest strength is like when I see that my family, my patients, my friends are always beside me. Whatever I'm doing, that's the biggest thing.
The patience comes first.
Patients come first. Yeah.
Thank you, Dr. Nandini.
Hey everyone, this is Sunana Panchal. This celebration is all about women empowerment. We are celebrating Dr. Nisha today. A 25 year of career, splendid, smooth, and like a piece of cake, for Nisha. So congratulations to you. And if you are talking about women empowerment, hurdles we face in our life, then I would say every woman goes through this hurdle as she grows in her age and in her career or in her life. Life has been always about restart for me. What I have changed in my life is whenever I hit a pause, I just take it as a pause and I restart. I don't think it's at a full stop, and I want to take this message to every woman listening to me. If you are having a pause in your life or career, this is not a pause. This is not the end of the story. It's still there.
Yeah, we keep going. We keep rocking. Thank you, Sunana.
First of all, hi, this is Priyanka. First of all, I want to congratulate Dr. Nisha, my friend, for completing 25 years in dentistry. If I will talk about hurdles, no woman's life is without hurdle. I mean, if you're born as a woman, if a man chases a goal, he has to just chase a goal. But if a woman has to chase a goal, she has to do laundry, kids. I mean, there are so many hurdles in women's life. So when I first moved to US, there were a lot of hurdles I had also faced to decide my career. Because in India, I've graduated as optometrist. So it was a medical degree, and after coming here, I had to go back to college because that's the rules and regulations here in the US. So I had to decide, I had to pick and choose my family, my kids. There were a lot of hurdles I had to face because I had to build my family also. I had to support my husband's career. He was also doing traveling job. So with all of these, I did a lot of research. I decided to do what I wanted to do. So instead of moving my career path into medical, I switched from medical to IT. It was a big decision for me. It was totally like opposite contrast career. But I'm very happy that I chose that route. Today, I'm a very successful IT professional, working in a leading IT company, and I have my own IT company. So
awesome. Empowered,
feeling empowered.
Nice.
So there is nothing impossible. Keep going.
Congratulations, Nisha, on 25 years of dentistry. I'm really proud of you.
Thank you.
And all the ladies here, and keep helping others like what you always do, and keep being bubbly and do the best you can.
Yeah. No,
Best
and
good
hurdles.
luck.
I need that.
No
Empowerment.
hurdles.
You are. She got the best husband. Best husband.
Start.
Yeah, my name is Devdani, and first of all, I need to congratulate Nisha. And Nisha always supporting me, Nandini, I cannot, explain to my own voice to how to say thank you to her. And I hopefully, she will be success in her life for long, long life, and forever, And also, I have to say thank you to my dad who inspired me from my childhood to now. He is not here right now, but still I miss him a lot. And